Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fish Tales and Trails. It is a windy day out here on the creek, but I'm gonna try to chase a few trout. I got a couple of new flies tied up, see how they do. Let's see what the creek has to say today. Oh, we had one. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh my God. That's a trout on, baby. Oh, beautiful. Big one too. Oh. Oh. It's on a freshly tied up zebra midge. Come on. No. Oh, he's got some weight. Come on, buddy. Oh, man. In the net. In the net. Oh, yes. Look at this hog. This is definitely one of my best rainbows. Look at this thing. All right, buddy. Thanks for the good fight. Oh my God. That was so awesome. What did you say, Moose? That was a good one. Doesn't get much better than that. Zebra midge, size 18, white tungsten bead. Oh, we got another one. Oh, look at him go. Yes. Oh, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Oh, yes. That's another trout on, baby. Oh, in the net. In the net. Oh, and this is why I love barbless hooks. I don't even gotta get them out. Not as big as the other one, but still. Beautiful fish. Let's go. Oh, come on. Look at that. Another beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, there he goes. What do you think, Moose? What do you think about that, huh? Oh, I know, you want him. You want him. Oh, man. Oh, that's the best. There we go. That's it. That's all it is. I got that. I got about maybe 16 inches of tippet there between the midge and my indicator. Oh, that was a fish. Go over here under this bridge. It gets nice and deep out there. There. Oh, he was on it. Oh. They're biting it. There we go. There we go. That's a trout on. Come on. Oh, he came off. So anyway, that sucks. But what I'm using here is a woolly bugger jig. Oh, I'm so upset he came off. So I'm casting it out there into that fast water and letting it drift, and then stripping it back. Back to the zebra midge. See if that can land us some more trout. That's a fish on. That's a trout on. Another one for the zebra midge. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's another nice one, too. Oh, tell me he came off. Oh my God, again. Well, that's going to be it for today's tale. Thanks for coming along. Caught some beautiful fish. It's a good day. If you stuck around, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.